guys, Luck here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing a Macron AirPods Pro. I got this one in the green edition. So guys, let's take a look at the box. So this is just like the standard AirPods Pro box. We've got the white cover, but the side doesn't have the Apple logo. At the back you've got the basic information. One thing that's interesting about this is it says it has the wireless charging case, so I would really like to try that out, but for the price I'm definitely sure it doesn't have the wireless charging capacity. But let's see. Let's open this up. I really love the feel of opening up a new box. Okay, let's check what's inside. Okay, so we've got the AirPods Pro, the copy. This is actually more like the InPods 12 Pro because the InPods are really popular for the Macron colors. They have really colorful ones like the pink, yellow, green, blue, and the metallic variant. So let's put this to the side. Let's see what's inside the box. So one difference about this and the Apple AirPods unboxing is you don't get the general information right at the top. So it's inside. So let's look at what's inside the box. So you've got air tips, I think large and small. So I'm guessing the medium is on the AirPods Pro. So you just got the user manual and it says AirPods Pro. So it's in Chinese and I'm guessing the other side is in English. So this is just the basic information. Well, nothing really important, so let's look at the device itself. So this is the charger. It comes in, lightning, is a lightning connector, which is really good. My other InPods, the InPods12 I have, is not really the lightning connector. It charges with the micro USB. So let's open this up. Let's take off the protective pack. This feels really satisfying. Okay, so as you can see, I got this in the green color. The feel of the AirPods isn't exactly premium. It has a glossy finish, but the color really looks good. It might look a bit yellowish, but this is actually green. I got the green color. This comes in blue, green, yellow, and black. So let's look at the AirPods inside. Here we go. And the AirPods themselves are both green. Just the tips are yellow, but the AirPods themselves are green. And trust me, they really look awesome. So you have indicator lights here and here, just to blink green. I'm guessing before it peers to the device. Once it peers to the device, then I'm sure the indicator lights are gonna go off. So I'm gonna try pairing this to my iPad and I'm gonna see what it sounds like, what the sound quality is like. Okay, so let me just try connecting this to the iPad and we're gonna do a little sound test. So the iPad has noticed it immediately and it shows AirPods Pro. So I'm just gonna connect this and we're gonna have a little sound test and we're gonna see if it's really good or if it's not super good. But I'm guessing this is gonna be really good, so I'm just gonna try this out a little bit. Okay, so now we're connected, and as you guys can see, like I said, the indicator lights have gone off. They're not on anymore, which is really good. So let's try to play some music and we're gonna see how they sound like. Okay, so we're gonna start the music now. Okay, so the sound quality is not, it's pretty good, but it's not exactly the best, but it's really good. Okay guys, check this out. So this is actually the max volume. Can you guys hear that? This is actually the max volume, and it's not exactly good. It's not really loud. I don't really like it. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be better than what it actually is, but it's not exactly as good. Yeah, and another thing I said I wanted to check, I'm gonna check the wireless charging capability, because it said it has wireless charging, but I'm definitely sure it doesn't. But I just want to check this out and see. So let's bring the charger over here. We're gonna try it a little bit. We're gonna see if it can actually charge with the wireless charger. So we're just gonna put this on top, and obviously it doesn't work. Just right off the bat, it doesn't work. So as you guys can see, the wireless charging definitely doesn't work on this. But am I gonna recommend this for anyone? I mean, if you're a fan of the InPods 12s, I'm definitely gonna recommend this, because these are not exactly expensive. They come in at just about under $12, I think, about $12, and the finishing overall is pretty good. If we look at the hinges are pretty good, but I don't know if you guys don't mind the sound quality, if you guys don't mind the lack of bass, because it doesn't really have any bass, and it doesn't have active noise cancellation, and transparency mode obviously doesn't have transparency mode either. So if you guys are okay with all that, and that's not really a problem for you guys, then I think this is a pretty good device. But if you're looking for something with the transparency mode and the noise cancellation, maybe something a little bit closer to the actual AirPods Pro, then I would say this is not the right one for you. But if you don't really mind, just you want something that looks similar to the AirPods Pro, and you like the Macron colors, like the different color variations, then this will definitely be a good pick. So I'm gonna leave a link for where you can get this down. So if you guys like the video, please leave a like, and if you loved it, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.